What's up, guys? This is Michael and welcome to Trading Like Magic. And today is September 1st, 2021 and we are on Grid. Guys, just to let you know, guys, within this week or next week, probably next week, I'm going to change my name from Trading Like Magic to Naked Crypto because I found Trading Like Magic is too long and Naked Crypto, well, my strategy is naked trading and I focus on cryptocurrency, so naked crypto. Anyway, CoinGecko today, I see Bitcoin sideways, Ethereum 4.4% up, Cardano 2.1% up. So mostly XRP is 5.7% up though, but Solana is down 6.4% right now. UNISWAP is also doing great, 5.4% up, and Chainlink is 8.8% up, and the rest not much. VeChain 11.6% up. Top gainers of the day, I see Phantom 21.3% up, FTT 21.2% up, Aeron 14.2% up, VeChain 11.6% up, IOTA 10.9% up, Rune 10.2% up, OKB 9.2% up. And the top gainers of the week, we see Bitcoin Cash at 128.8% up, AR 113.5% up, Phantom is 92.4% up, Solana is 61.9% up, and Tezos 32.8% up. Top losers of the week, we have AVAX is 21.4% down, XDC 17.6% down, AMP 14.5% down, QNT 10.9% down, and Audio 8.7% down. Shiba is down 8.5% down. Telcoin is 7.5% down. Okay, guys, before we go to the chart, if you can like and share my video, that would be appreciated. It helps the algorithm. Okay, crypto index on the daily chart looks like we're having a triple top here. Bitcoin on the monthly chart, I see 1 2 3 4 5. We are still on the bull run and we are now on August, somewhere here. So our target would be the all-time high for now, 64,700, somewhere there. And if you're holding Bitcoin, if you're doing dollar cost averaging, that's great. On the daily chart though, we are still on this megaphone pattern. We are still on this top of the megaphone pattern, and I see ascending channel, and my count is 1 2 3 4 5. So let's see if we do have a correction. Let's see somewhere here at 0.618, which is 37,600. Let's see if this one will play it out. And Ethereum on the monthly chart, similar to Bitcoin, 1 2 3 4 5. We are still on a bull run and we already touched the golden ratio, which is 0.618, and our target would be the all-time high, which is 4,600. And Ethereum on the daily chart, we went for the sideways, and right now it popped up on this channel here, but there's a resistance here on this, somewhere here at 3,669. Ethereum Bitcoin, last week we see this bullish flag here, and now it popped up. Our target would be 8 cents. Dogecoin, so 1 2 3 4 5. We have a head and shoulders pattern here, and our target somewhere here. Let's see. Right now it's also creating a bullish flag, and let's see if the price will come somewhere here at 0.618, which is 25 cents, and let's see if the price will bounce here and then go up. If that will happen, I see this one is a leg 1, or the first wave, 1 2 3 4 5, somewhere there. Right now we're just having a correction for the ABC correction for second wave. Let's see if that will play it out. 1 2 3 4 5, something like that, guys. Okay, Shiba, we're still on this descending channel. Let's see if the price will pop up to the upside or it will continue to go down somewhere here on this support level here. But right now the Shiba is also doing sideways on this support and resistance, so let's see. Okay, QTOM, this is I posted this one yesterday. Our target would be somewhere at $18. Cardano on the 4-hour chart, I see this rising expanding wedge. Right now I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a truncated fifth wave. Let's see, it's a truncated fifth wave for now, and I see a double top here. It's also creating a triangle here. Let's see if the price will pop up on this descending channel or it will go down on this trend line here. There's a trend line here too. Let's see if the price will go down or it will pop up and break this resistance. Let's monitor the price. Axie Infinity, right now it's creating a ascending channel. Let's monitor the price. IOTX, let's see if the price will bounce here at 6 cents, which is 0.618. Luna, I see ascending channel. So let's see the price will bounce back and forth on this channel. It will, we might see the price will pop up to the upside or go down. Hot, right now it's creating a bullish flag and another descending channel. So let's see if the price will break on this descending channel and even break on this bigger descending channel or flag. Guys, this is a bullish pattern, guys. Ravencoin, the price is still struggling to break on this trend line, but right now it's creating a flag, bullish flag. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. So guys, it already touched the 50. Let's see if the price will break on this trend line or bullish flag. One looks like a great buying opportunity, guys, but this is just based on my opinion. Rune, I see expanding rising wedge, and our target would be $14.57, which is the all-time high. Or it could also break on this trend line here and go for $6.63. Uniswap looks like a flag formation here too. Sushi looks like going for a triangle. Let's see if the price will break on this triangle or go down here. Bitcoin Cash, I see a flag formation here and the Fibonacci level. We already almost touched the 0.618 and it popped up, and right now let's see if the price will still go back here at 0.618, which is 590, and pop up at there's a resistance here at 725. MATIC, I see a rising expanding wedge on the 4-hour chart. We do have a support here. There's also a descending channel here. So let's say the price will go up at $1.69. Litecoin, I see a expanding rising wedge, and the price is also doing sideways on the support and resistance, but it's also creating a expanding rising wedge, and we do have a resistance here at 99 cents. AAVE is creating a channel. Let's see if the price will go somewhere here at 50, which is 330, or 0.618, which is somewhere here at 300. Okay guys, I think this will do for today. If you find this video valuable to you guys, hit the like button, and if you don't like it, you can give me a thumbs down, and it doesn't matter. And if there's cryptocurrency you want me to add, just comment down below and I will add on the video. And I love you guys. Take care. Bye bye.